In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the line spacing on your Squarespace site. First, log into your site and open the page you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, look for the Site Styles icon located at the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on it. From here, you'll see a section labeled Fonts. Click on the arrow with it to expand the font settings. Scroll down to access more options. Now you'll need to decide whether you want to adjust the line spacing for headings or for paragraphs. If you're not sure, you can scroll through the live preview on the left side of your screen to see the area you want to edit. For example, if you want to change the line spacing of paragraphs, click on Paragraph in the font settings. You'll see an option labeled Line Height with an adjustable slider next to it. Use this slider to change the spacing between lines of text. The changes will be reflected in real time in your preview. Similarly, you can go back to the font settings, select Headings, and use the line height slider there to adjust the spacing between lines in your headings. After you're happy with the adjustments, click Save at the top left corner of the screen, then click Exit to return to the main editor. And that's how you can change the line spacing in Squarespace.